Paano nga ba mag-multiply ng mixed fraction with a negative exponent? Una, multiply lang natin yung denominator sa numerator, that's equals to 3 times 4 plus 1, that's equals to 13. Kaya po, ang lumabas ay 13 over 3. Kinopya lang natin yung kanyang denominator. Pagkatapos nun, next is just to interchange the result. Ibig sabihin nun, yung 13, mapupunta sa baba, yung 3 mapupunta sa taas. Kaya ang nangyari, that's equals to 3 over 13, and then yung sign ng exponent magiging positive. So that's equals to squared. Then, last part, multiply the number. Kung ano po yung kanyang exponent, yun po yung dami kung paano tayo mag-multiply within the parentheses. So that's equals to 3 times 3, that's equals to 9, and 13 times 13, that's equals to 169. That's your final answer. Same process ang gagawin natin sa susunod na problem. Ibig sabihin nun, we're just simply multiplying 2 times 5, that's equals to 10, plus 1, 11. Kaya ang mangyayari is 11 over 2. At tandaan na ang denominator ay kinokopya lang natin. Then this will become 2 over 11. And 2 times 2 is 4. 11 times 11 is equals to 121. Final answer. Next is we are going to multiply 4 times 6, 24 plus 125 over 4. And then interchange 4 over 25. Change the sign of your exponent, that's equals to positive 2 multiplied by itself 16. And 25 times 25 is 625. You get your final answer.